Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make a Parmesan encrusted chicken. So let's get started. We're going to start off by putting our garlic powder, our paprika, salt and pepper. I didn't measure this out, just had it in there. So I'm going to stir this up. I cut this chicken in half. It was really huge. We have our Panko Parmesan cheese and our Italian seasoning, I believe. So we mixed all this up, and this is what we're going to dredge our chicken in. We have 3 eggs in here with hot water, and this is just flour. We'll start off by putting our chicken in the flour. Dredging it in. Egg. And the panko. This is a panko will make it crispy. Okay, then we have a pan right here. We're going to bake it in the oven at 400. This pan is ready to go to the oven. So what I ended up doing was browning these in a saucepan and then putting them in the oven. And the reason is the first bunch would not brown up. So looks gorgeous. All right, now it's time to try a piece. Hey folks, now is the fun part. We get to try it. So here's our Parmesan encrusted chicken, and that is good. Very crunchy, flavorful. It's got your Parmesan cheese and your Italian seasoning. Oh, this is really good. I think you folks will like it. Only, if it were me, I would fry them first, get a brown on them, and then put them in the oven and let them cook. Bake. But anyway, this is really good. So Thank you for stopping by. If you like our channel, please hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps us out. Happy baking!